welcome back to my channel. It's Again Selling. I'm coming up to you with another video to be showing you guys the shapewear I got from Amazon, and the name is going to be listed in the description box. I got it from Top Melon collection and I'm loving the shapewear. Okay, I don't really need the shapewear. The reason why I wear shapewear, sometimes very rare, it's not really, I hardly wear shapewear. I discover new methods to wear my dress without they are not pulling off, because you know sometimes there's some kind of dress you wear without no shapewear, they are just trying, you know, getting up and pulling. And I got this shapewear, like I just said, from Top Melon collection, and the price was also very affordable. It was not really expensive. And yeah, if you're interested, you want to see the shapewear I got from Top Melon collection, you already know what to do. Just stick around, let's enjoy the video. Shapewear, this is how it looks like. And if I knew, I would have taken size medium. So normally my size is size small, which is 36. It's not too, it's tight, but to close it is a struggle. But when I have it closed, then I'm good to go. This is how it looks like. And it has this kind of a see-through nets, this net under, and it has no bra. Okay, with this front, is going to lift up your bra. It's going to make your boobie pop more. Okay, the size is size small, which is size 10. I tried already. That is why I said to try to close it. It's a bit struggle. Material is very stretchy, but it's not too stretchy. Okay, this is how it looks like. Like I said, it has this net details at the bottom area, so it's going to hug you, you know, and it's not going to give you that extra, it's not going to give you extra line on your laps. And the back area, it has this kind of cut, round cut. So this is where your bottom is going to sit in. Open it for you guys. Let me open it so you can see. It has a zip and it has a hook inside. So before, that is why I said to zip it is okay, but to put in the hook is a struggle. Okay, it's a big struggle. Afterwards, after you finish with the hook and with the zip, so there's also a hook at the top, so you can really secure it right here. So the zip is not going to be opening, it's not going to get open. Okay, that is why they put this here, which I find very brilliant. So yeah, this is me without no shapewear. So let me go and put on the shapewear. I'll be right back. Looks like, this is how it looks like. It's very beautiful. Okay, it's very oh guys, I'm back. This is me with shapewear and with my dress on. You see the difference? You can't find any wrinkles anymore on the dress. Before, when I have no shapewear, there was a lot of wrinkles. When I'm walking, you hardly find any wrinkles. It's normal when you're walking, there's going to be wrinkles, but when you stand just normal, when you stand normal, there is no wrinkles, and that is the advantage of shapewear. But other than that, you hardly tell I wear shapewear, and my bottom is still popping. It's still popping like before. It's still popping like before. I like it, guys. I really like it. I like it. You just take all the wrinkles away. Just take all the wrinkles away, and of course leave my boobie. Also, my boobies is popping. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this Top Melon collection shapewear. If you guys have tried before, if you have tried some other things from them, let me know, because this is the first time I'm getting something from there. So, and I'm not disappointed despite the little hole at the back. It's all good. You hardly see if there is a hole there. I see it from the mirror, so I felt it that there is a little bit of cut there, but other than that, you're Gucci. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know, like I said, in the comment section below. No long talking, Please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, ciao.
I knew you were giving, temptation was craving.